All right, so I had this thought that the entrance here into the yard, I wanted it to make it like a little bit whimsical looking, and I was thinking about putting some type of arch above the entrance here. Now, why am I doing that? Well, like I said, I want it to look a little bit more whimsical, more like, entering a secret garden or something like that. Anyway, I thought of it because I have this growing right here, which I thought was this wild vine, and I think someone had told me it's Virginia creeper, I think they said, or honeysuckle or something like that. But anyway, what I did was I took a picture of the leaf and I put it into ChatGPT, which identified this for me. And they told me that this is an actual grapevine of the Vitis genus. And so I thought, that might look nice. I like it here because it's right near these air conditioning units, and I just wanted to soften it. I pull them out every day. They're everywhere. But I let this one grow. It's a couple of years. You can see the stem's getting a little bit thicker. And I want to take it away from the house. And I thought, hey, that might look nice, like in an arch over this gate. So my first thought was go out and get some hula hoops, and one of them definitely wasn't enough, and two of them could be enough. But then I was thinking, I don't know, maybe that's not going to look so great. I wanted it to look a little bit more whimsical looking. So then I thought, hey, I have some of my white branches here from Christmas time. So I found two that have a slight arch in them. So I'm thinking I'm going to try that. I'm going to try a branch on each side. And then this way, what I can do is bring the vine over the top and intertwine it into the branch. Now, the branch is white. I thought it'd be a good idea because the fence is white, and then it won't be sticking out like a sore thumb. So I need to go get some twist ties, zip ties, in order to get these branches set where I want them to be. Okay, so we got the longer zip ties, and as you can see, what I did was I zip tied here and I zip tied lower as well, so upper and lower. Now this is what it looks like right now. I started to bring the vines over onto the branches, and it's going to take a little bit of time for it to fill in, but I think you get the idea. So this is a really inexpensive way to make an archway or makes like an entrance over your fence. Easily done. You can just get branches from your yard or somewhere, and like I did, zip tie them to the fence and then train the vine over them. And I think I'll keep you updated as the season progresses, but I think it's going to look really magical and whimsical and so on, because this vine especially puts out a lot of tendrils, and it will hang and give it kind of a mystical look. So okay, so nothing dramatic and nothing over the top crazy, but just another option for you to do something inexpensively to enhance your garden. All right, everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. Take care, and I will be seeing you really soon. Okay, bye-bye.